Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Muñeca's Life. How's everybody doing? I'm about to make some healthy cooking here. Some baked pork chops with some steamed vegetables. The potatoes is for my family because I'm only going to be eating pork chops and steamed vegetables. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. So guys, I started the steamed vegetables. You basically add water to the bottom of the pot. Let me show you. It might be a little hot. Let me see. Oh, it's still cold. I just put it there. See, I think I might have put too much water. And it's a great tool. I love it. It came like this, the pot. Then this is like a steamer. Then I put the vegetables there. I seasoned it with this. It has zero everything. Let me find the box. Right here. See? Zero cal. Well, it has 10%. So, ooh. Whoa, that sodium is kind of high. Yeah, didn't know that. Guess I won't be buying this anymore. But yes, I put a little bit of this, not too much, because it obviously has a lot of sodium I didn't know about. So I'm gonna steam those. Let me cover it back up. So I'm making the family some potatoes in the oven. Season those too. This is what I'm gonna season my pork chops with. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, maybe not like maybe this much, because this also has a lot of sodium. Here's the pork chops. That's what I'm gonna season them with. The garlic, adobo light, black pepper. I'll be back in a minute, guys. So guys, I'm back. I'm done seasoning the pork chops. They have a really nice flavor. I actually added cumin just in case that wasn't enough for flavor. And I'm gonna use this cooking spray. I'm gonna put a sheet of aluminum foil first on the pan. And then I'm gonna add some cooking spray. This is good. It has zero everything. 10 calories only. I mean, to each his own, you know, guys. You use whatever is best for you. But I'm gonna use this just a little bit, just so it won't stick to the sheet of aluminum foil. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. I've added the aluminum foil. There's the sheet of paper. I mean aluminum foil. I don't know why I keep saying that. I guess because I usually use the other one. What's the name of it? I forgot. I don't see it here. Did it finish? And then I sprayed the olive oil lightly. Try to put as little as I could because I'm trying to lose these pounds, guys. Now I'm gonna add the pork chops. Let me wash my hands in case I touched anything I wasn't supposed to. I haven't even drank my coffee. You see this, guys? I need my coffee. I'm not really gonna have breakfast, you know. Probably gonna skip breakfast or eat something when I'm hungry. But right now I'm really not hungry, so I'm just adding the pork chops. Sorry if I'm throwing them, guys. I know I'm a little rough. A little rough in this side. Okay. Try not to put too much sazon, you know, for the coloring. Wash my hands again. I preheated the oven to 350. I'm gonna leave it there for about 30 minutes because these are like boneless pork chops also, you know. I'll be back with you guys when I'm done putting the potatoes in the oven. So guys, I'm back. I basically cut off 4 pieces of aluminum foil. So I'm gonna I've washed off the potatoes, rinsed them out with water. I'm gonna spray them with this pan cooking spray avocado. I got it a lot less for $2 if anyone is interested. A lot less for $2. So I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna throw some sea salt. Give it a little bit of flavor, you know? I get it to stick. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up and put it in the oven. I guess I can just put it like this. Over this. Looks like it's getting done mighty quickly, right? I always leave the water running. I really have to stop doing that. It's a bad habit, guys. It's a bad habit. It's like everything is falling on the aluminum foil. Number 2, wash my hand. Here's number 3. Number 3. Bake it, you know, trying to make it healthy. But it ain't for me anyway, but I'm making everybody eat healthy. Not just me. Oh. See that, guys? See what I'm doing? Almost forgot a step. It's like all over the place. Alright, So roll it up and get those pieces different. Alright guys, be back in a flash. So everything is in the oven, guys. I'm gonna leave it there for about 25 minutes, then I'm gonna check on it, okay? The potatoes take a while to get done, you know, things is hard as hell. And the meat, they're boneless and they're kind of thin pork chops. So I'm gonna check it in 25 minutes. I'll be back with you guys soon. So guys, I'm back. I just want to show you one more time what I used, okay? So I used the garlic powder. You can use whichever you like. You can get the other type of garlic, the other one that you have to, you know, grate and everything. Natural garlic, I guess. It's still natural. Adobo light. I like the other one, but we gotta use this one. It has 0 everything, 180 in sodium also. I really need to find things that are low in sodium. Anybody has any suggestions? Because this stuff really has a lot of sodium. I like cumin, so I threw some of that in there, the black pepper, and the cooking spray avocado that I got in a lot less. And also this that I use to season the vegetables. But you can also use pepper, garlic. I don't recommend salt because you're trying to lose the pounds, you know. But for me at least. But if you are trying to lose the weight, and instead of this, replace it in instead of the salad and vegetable. Okay, guys. I'll be back soon. So guys, I'm gonna leave this in for about 2-3 more minutes. I'm gonna take it out because they're basically done. It gets done pretty fast. I'll show you. They're done, see? It's soft. I'll just give it a little longer. See? Give it a couple of more minutes. Should definitely be ready to go. So guys, I decided I was gonna do a little bit of working out because I haven't been. I'm not even gonna lie. So maybe a little bit of legs, squats, lunges, some stomach. Always try to do stomach, okay guys? Every time you work out. I like to put an extra mat on the floor just to have put the weights so they won't make a lot of noise when I put them down. This one I bought in TJ Maxx for about 12 bucks. It's really good because it's thick. It's a thick mat. See? I don't like those that are really thin like this one. That's why I just use it for the weights because I can feel the damn floor. But with this one, it's better. I don't feel the floor. So guys, I tried to post a video. I don't know. It didn't go through. So I'm just doing it again. I was basically just talking about what I'm going to be doing, you know, and my YouTube channel, which is Muñecas Life. Check it out. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot because I'm new to YouTube. Any questions you have, please ask away, inbox me. And if you don't find my channel, inbox me also, and I'll let you know and show you which one it is. Okay, guys? See you soon and have a great, amazing day. I hope everybody's Valentine's Day was good. Mine was good. I won't lie. Hope yours